Hello everyone, this is Miss Rowe. I thought I'd make you a last little video, so I'm just wanted to say thank you. Let's go on to the next slide. As some of you will be able to tell, obviously this isn't the largest image. I took a picture of that today at school, so some of you will be able to spot a few of your gifts. Thank you so much. And then moving on to when I got home, obviously I opened the gifts properly because I had a bit more time, and as you can see, got a lovely amount of gifts there. Thank you very much. Brilliant hamper from the TAs, so thank you so much, that's amazing. Beautiful scarf from the year 7s. I've got 9 there, 9 there, and well, she knows who she is. She's been coming to Co Club and drawn an amazing robot on the front and in the middle. So again, thank you so much for all my cards and keep up the great work within school. Sorry I can't be there to run Co Club anymore, but thanks again. And the robot is still on my jacket, so I'll be taking that wherever I go next. So like I said today, don't forget I've left you a 111 page book which is Co Club Book of Scratch, so you can go on the home drive and have a look at it for different projects, speak to Apophosia, and you're starting Scratch anyway after the holidays, so have an amazing time. The girls who've been going to Co Club will find it so easy, so I'm looking forward to seeing what projects you make. So again, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.